So I went to the store and I bought myself some Kool-Aid jammers and some Ferrero Rochers and some root beer. And the whole time I was walking, my stomach just kept seizing up and giving me awesome Braxton Hicks contractions, and they're probably the worst thing in the fucking world. And then my back decided that it was gonna tense up, and then I got a cramp. And so now I'm in my flannel jammies, being comfy and feeling like shit as I drink my root beer. Because you know I can't have a real beer, so I have to trick myself into thinking that I am. It's tragic. Pregnancy is tragic, and there's 4 days left. 4 days. So that's good. That's good. And just to prove that this isn't an actual beer, because I'm not a bad fan. Root beer. It's delicious. So yeah. That's my day of pain and sorrow. So I'm gonna go eat my chocolate and be depressed. Woe is me, it's so hard to fucking live. So hard to live. Every time I try and hit stop, I actually just hit like features or whatever. I don't know what the word is for it. Yeah, I don't know. So I don't actually hit stop on the video. So I've delayed this video or prolonged this video like 9 times because I keep hitting the wrong thing. So I'm gonna click it now, and hopefully now the video will end because this sucks. So goodbye.